doing My Creative Year, and it's my turn. And this month's topic is reduce, reuse, recycle. And this week's prompt is reuse. So I've got this cardboard that I got backing from something, and I'm going to reuse it for something. And I've already applied gesso. Alright, so I also have this purse, which is seen better days. It's come apart in the inside of it. And instead of tossing it out, because I do love the owl, I am going to try and cut out the owl and create a pretty background on this piece of cardboard and turn it into a nice little wall hanging. So I hope that you enjoy my process as I fast forward through this, and I hope it'll inspire you to do something for My Creative Year. And don't forget to share anything that you create for My Creative Year in the Facebook group, and I'll post a link down at the bottom to the Facebook group. And thanks again for watching. Alright, so I like to create kind of an encaustic effect using my portfolio oil pastels, and then I heat up my heat gun around the edges, and I did use, you saw me use the stencil, and I was using metallic gold paint, and unfortunately, well, maybe the camera's picking up a little bit of the shimmer. You can see the metallic in it. Gives it a really cool look. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go outside and quickly spray a fixative over the top, because I like to keep the encaustic effect with the oil pastels, and to keep it like that I need to spray a fixative, and I usually use like a matte fixative. And if you don't have a like a professional artist fixative, hairspray will do. However, hairspray tends to yellow with age, and if you like the yellow look, then go for it, because it's a lot cheaper to use hairspray as a fixative versus a artist fixative. Alright, so this is pretty much dry, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to glue a piece of ribbon to hang this from. Okay, I'm going to probably trim it a little bit to about, eyeballing it. So this is a simple way of reusing something and creating a simple wall hanging that you could hang up in a kid's bedroom, or in, somewhere where you like something funky like this to hang in your area. So I hope you enjoyed this, and don't forget to go check out My Creative Year Facebook group. I'll post a link down at the bottom. And if you like what you see, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, all that jazz, and I shall see you next time. Toodles, bye, have a wonderful day.